Hello everyone. Today we have a third session of the Power BI, and in this session we have to discuss how we can get the data from the dataset. So earlier we already discussed how we can get the data from the Excel and the TXT file. Today we have to discuss how we can get the data from the dataset. Before going to the Power BI datasets, firstly we understand what are the datasets. So datasets are the sets of the data that are available inside the report, and that report is placed inside the workspace. So what are the reports? So these are my reports. If you are seeing here, there are multiple reports, or we can say that this is the year comparison report, and we can say that a report have multiple visuals. So currently there are four visuals, and these visual is basically year by year comparison. So all three visuals help me out to compare yearly data. So this is called the year-wise comparison report. Okay. And what are the workspace? A workspace is available inside the Power BI services where the Power BI service provide the space for the work. If I am going to my Power BI service, so here the workspace option. If I click on this, there are multiple type of workspaces are available. Currently we have only two. If you have to create a new workspace, so just click on the new workspace and create a workspace. And inside this workspace, we have two reports, the getting started data and the HR service. So I am click on this HR service. This page is pop up. Okay. If I am click on this, okay, it is saying save or save or don't save. So I am selecting the don't save. Again, I am going to my workspace and select the report, the HR services. Again, I am selecting this report. So how it's look like? It look like this. So I'm click on the edit option. Click on the edit option. Click on the edit option. So these are the same window is coming like the Power BI desktop. The filter visualization and field. Filter visualization and field. This is replaced with the data is replaced with the field. So all the fields are all the tables are available here. So these are called the data sets. Now, if I am trying to get the data from that particular report which is available inside the workspace, so I am click on the get data, click on the Power BI data set, and this pop-up shown me you have to create a new file or new session, and then you get the data from the data set. So I have already a new session of the Power BI. This is the blank session. So I'm click on this get data option, click Power BI dataset. So this type of pop-up is coming, and you select your report. So I'm selecting the HR service and click on create. So while we click on create button, my data sets will reflect here. If you see here, all my tables are coming here. If you want to change the workspace, so how you can change it? You just go to the edit queries, click on data source setting, and if you want to change your workspaces, so select the different workspace and click create. So my fields section update according to the new workspace. So this is the session which we covered how we can work with the datasets. Thank you. We will meet again in the next session.